I'm not gonna lie, guys, making realistic AI influencer videos has been a huge challenge, but not anymore. With the rise of more and more advanced AI tools, creating high-quality, realistic AI influencer videos like these has become incredibly easy. Yes, the videos you're looking at right now are not real. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a workflow that will literally change your AI influencer game forever. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is go to Influencer Studio. You can open it via the link in the description. Now this tool is specifically built for AI influencers, so the results are really awesome. From here you need to click on the dashboard option and it will take you to this interface. Now it's time to create our influencer profile. So first select influencer mode and then click on create new. Now here you can see two options. You can upload images of your influencer if you already have one, and if you don't, then you can generate the images from this section. As you can see, there are some pre-made templates, or you can create from scratch. In my case, I already had some images generated for my influencer, so we will be using these images. And don't worry, I will also put the prompt in the description for each of these images. Now first, let's give our influencer a name. Next, you need to upload the images. The minimum requirement is 5 images. These are the 5 images I have used, and then just click on create influencer. It will take a bit of time to train, and once it's ready, you will be able to generate ultra realistic images in any pose and setting with 100% perfect character consistency. Alright, so now our influencer is trained and we can give any kind of prompt to generate different images of her. Let's try it out. Just click on it and it will take you to this interface. Now you can enter your prompt here and start creating images. But if you want even better results, here's what you should do. First, go to Pinterest and search for influencer images. As you can see, there are millions of photos to choose from, and we can use these images as reference points. Now let me show you how I create detailed prompts to recreate these images using my influencer's face. So first, I open this custom GPT that I created from the description. Once you open it, just upload an image. In this case, I'll upload this one that I screenshot from a video I found on Pinterest. Then simply type this and hit enter. Now, this GPT is specifically trained to give you an extremely detailed JSON prompt to recreate the image. Isn't that awesome? Now, this is the prompt it generates, so let's copy it and come back to Influencer Studio. Then paste the prompt right here. Next, you can choose the camera style. I'll go with smartphone because I want realistic, high quality results. After that, you can select the aspect ratio and how many images you want to generate. And then simply click on generate. Wow, just look at this image, folks. This looks incredibly awesome. It captured the pose perfectly, all thanks to the JSON prompt. And as you can see, the face is perfectly consistent. This is honestly an amazing result, ladies and gentlemen. Using this technique, you can imitate any image with any pose and environment while maintaining perfect character consistency. Absolutely insane. Now, let's try one more. This time, I'm going to paste another prompt that I generated using ChatGPT with the exact same formula and then click generate. And here it is. Wow, this one looks even better and ultra realistic. Just look at the level of detail. I mean, this looks so real that if you showed it to someone, I'm 100% sure they wouldn't even be able to tell it's an AI generated image. It genuinely looks like a normal influencer photo you'd see on Instagram. And now let me show you how you can turn this into a realistic video. To do that, from here you first need to click on View All Workspace, and then from this page, select the motion control option. It will take you to this interface. Now, before doing motion, we need an input video first. So for that, I again went to Pinterest. As you can see, there's a plethora of different influencer videos, and you can download them. Next, let's come back to Influencer Studio and make sure Kling 2.6 motion control is selected because it's the best. Then remove the default video from here and upload your video. After that, delete this default input image and upload your influencer image here. I uploaded this one. After that, you don't need to do anything else. Just click on generate and let the AI do its magic. And here's the output. Just look at this, folks. I mean, who would think this is an AI generated video? This looks truly amazing. Look at the motion. It's so smooth with almost no distortion. Just imagine how many views and likes you would get from this. Amazing. And here is a quick side-by-side comparison. As you can see, it was able to capture the motion perfectly, even the expressions. Pretty neat job. Here is another example. This time I use this video as the input and and this image as the input image, and here is the result. I mean, I'm not going to say anything. You guys be the judge. If you're still not using this tool to create your influencer and go viral, then I'm telling you, you're missing out. Influencer Studio makes this so easy and convenient. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this right now and create your realistic AI influencers.